Welcome to News Nexus, your go-to source for the latest in technology, innovation, and groundbreaking advancements. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Hyperloop, a revolutionary transportation system that promises to change how we travel forever. Stick around till the end as we explore how Hyperloop works, its benefits, challenges, and the future of this game-changing technology. Hyperloop is a proposed high-speed transportation system that uses a network of low-pressure tubes to transport passenger and cargo pods at speeds exceeding 1,000 kilometers per h. The concept was first introduced by Elon Musk in 2013 as an open-source idea, sparking a wave of interest and research worldwide. The idea behind Hyperloop is simple, yet revolutionary. Reduce air resistance and friction to achieve ultra-fast, energy-efficient transportation. Imagine traveling from Mumbai to Delhi in just 60 minutes instead of 2 hours by flight or 15 hours by train. Hyperloop operates on three core principles. First, vacuum tubes maintain a near-vacuum environment, drastically reducing air resistance. Second, magnetic levitation allows Hyperloop pods to float instead of using wheels, eliminating friction. Third, electric propulsion accelerates the pods using linear electric motors and maintains their speed with minimal energy input. Because there's virtually no air resistance or friction, Hyperloop pods can achieve airline-like speeds with significantly lower energy consumption. Hyperloop offers numerous benefits. Its unmatched speed dramatically reduces travel times compared to trains, planes, and cars. It is energy efficient, using renewable energy sources like solar panels on the tubes, reducing carbon emissions. It enhances safety by operating in a sealed environment, eliminating weather-related delays and reducing the risk of collisions. Additionally, it helps decongest highways and airports, making travel smoother and more efficient. Despite its promise, Hyperloop faces significant challenges. High initial costs make building the infrastructure a massive investment. Land acquisition issues pose a logistical challenge in finding suitable land for long, straight routes. Regulatory approvals remain a hurdle as governments worldwide are still working on regulations for this new mode of transportation. Passenger comfort and safety must be ensured at extremely high speeds, making smooth and comfortable travel a critical consideration. Many companies are currently developing Hyperloop technology. Virgin Hyperloop successfully tested a passenger pod in 2020. HyperloopTT is focused on full-scale commercial deployment. Elon Musk's Boring Company is exploring underground Hyperloop networks. In India, the Mumbai-Pune Hyperloop project proposes a 150 kilometers route that could cut travel time to just 25 minutes. Experts predict that commercial Hyperloop systems could be operational by the 2030s, completely transforming intercity travel. With continued investment, research, and government support, Hyperloop could become the backbone of next-generation transportation. So what do you think about Hyperloop? Will it revolutionize travel or remain just a futuristic dream? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to News Nexus for more exciting tech updates. See you in the next video.